All right, so what's up, everyone? Today we are going to talk about GameStop because the stock is down 13%. I'm going to ask you all the question: is it time to buy? I know you guys want to buy this cryptocurrency. I know you guys want to buy this stock. You guys still think that we're going to get the MOAS. I know many of you still think we're going to get the short squeeze. I don't know. We're going to look at the price chart to see what the market has to say and try to get right back in position to see if we can win again. So welcome over to the channel. Make sure before you go, hit the like, share, and subscribe if you all appreciate the videos that I produce, because I'm here to show you and also give you a heads up as to where I suspect the market is about to go. For example, I did a price prediction in GameStop right there on the 13th of January. I was explaining to those who saw the video that we were looking for price in GameStop to go down. Why? Because we noticed that the buyers were having issues in this pocket of selling that we talked about. And by us seeing that, it gave us an advance warning to say, hey, maybe these buyers are losing the grip of price, and maybe the sellers will take control and bring the price down. And what do you know? The market in GameStop came all the way down to this pocket of buying right there in between $27.22 to $27.64 in like a day. Maybe even the next day, the market in GameStop hit our TP price. What else can I say? So now let's get rid of this pocket of buying there because the buyers didn't show up. Let's get rid of this pocket of buying because guess what? The buyers didn't show up. Now, let me ask you this question though. Do you think the buyers are going to hold this pocket? If so, we can keep it. But if you think the market is going to break that pocket of buying, then we need to get rid of it. Do you think the chart will give us a heads up as to where price is anticipated to go? Of course it will. Most definitely it will. So let's go ahead and do that now. Oh, first, let me get rid of this trend line here in GameStop 2 because the market is no longer, take a look, trending up. We broke the trend. So there's two negative things going against the buyers in the market in GameStop. One, that trend line was broken. See that? We broke the trend. That's negative right there. And two, the buyers couldn't break the pocket of selling right here. Now, maybe we might just see the market in GameStop consolidate until it's ready to break out above 34. Maybe. Let's see though. Let's take a look at GameStop on the 2. Okay. Are you bullish on the 2-day time frame? To me, I'm not bullish. It still looks weak to me. I am definitely aware of that 2-day price bar. 8 hours, 49 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar in GameStop, and it still looks pretty weak. Take a look at GameStop on the 3. 8 hours, 49 minutes on this current 3-day price bar right there. Don't forget this 3-day price bar neither. Again, still looks weak. GameStop on the 4. 8 hours, 49 minutes left on the 4. Does that look bullish to you? Not to me. Looks bearish. And then don't forget that 4-day price bar. Here it is on the 5. 3 days left and 9 hours. Don't forget that 5-day price bar. Take a look at GameStop on a week. Yep, this is what the weekly price bar printed, and it's showing us that the buyers didn't actually come through in the market in GameStop. What about on the 2? Are we done with this 2 weekly bar yet? Yep. So this is the completed 2 weekly price bar. So I would say, okay, just me thinking, by looking at this 2 weekly price chart and that last printed 2 weekly price bar, that GameStop is still going to go down. That's what it looked like to me. I don't know about you. This doesn't look bullish to me on the 2-week time frame. Here is GameStop on the 3. We have 3 more days, 9 hours. Okay, so consider that. But right now, does that look bullish to you or bearish? It looks bearish to me. So all in all, I don't think this pocket of buying is going to hold. I think the buyers are not going to show up in this pocket. So I'm preparing myself to look for GameStop to continue to go down. And we may not see the price go that low. Like, I'm going to keep it real. We have a pocket that's already nearby. So maybe the buyers will show up in this pocket, which is around $25.66 to $26.66. Maybe. So since we know that, it's logical for us to take some profit off the table then. At the high of that pocket, it gives us 3%. At the low of that pocket, it gives us 6.62%. Okay. Now, that would be the best outlook right there. I'm just going to keep it real. If you're a buyer, you would want to see the market in GameStop bounce off this pocket right here. You would want to see that. But given that 2-weekly chart, even this pocket of buying is in jeopardy of being broken. And if that happens, maybe like in the next 2 weeks, could we see price in GameStop come all the way down to this third pocket? I mean, what do you guys think? Most definitely we can. I'm going to create a pocket of selling right here too. Let's bring this up. Okay. So keep a watch and see how price trades over the next couple of days on these 2 pockets. That's it. There's nothing more for me to say. I've done my analysis. Now it's your turn. Provide the community with your thoughts. Where do you think the market's going to go? Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.